Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Well, this is the very last video on how to prepare or what to prepare for your class 10 series. So I got a request to make a video on English literature, and also this will be an updated video on English language. Number one, let's start with English language. That is paper 1 of English. So that's the very first exam that you guys have on English language. If your prepositions is weak, buy this book. This is one of the God books, Essential Grammar and Composition, class 8 books. They have a very, in-depth meanings of the prepositions and how and when to use these prepositions. If you have Wren and Martin, practice the Wren and Martin book. And if you have doubt on any question, go on Google, search the entire sentence and they'll provide you with answers. Number 2, if your tenses is weak, always remember to read the first line of the sentence and keep in your mind in which tense it is. For example, if your line starts with I had a very bad day. I had is in past tense, so the entire paragraph is expected to be in past tense. If you have any line in quotations which says I dash going to school, I am going to school, it will be in present tense if the sentence says so. So you have to keep these things in mind while solving the paper. You have this time MCQ in the do as directed part. Please read all the options very carefully. If two options seem similar, there will be one single thing that will make the two sentences different. Think before answering. Please think before answering, like no sooner it is followed by than, then hardly it is followed by when. Please remember and read these things before, and either or, neither nor. Please read some examples before going to your examination hall. And also for essay, letter, notice and email, please keep the sentences short and crisp. Use simple languages. Teachers, if they find a very difficult word in your passage or paragraph, and if they don't identify the word, people won't search Google for just one paper because they have thousands and thousands of paper to check. They'll simply just mark it, cross it and deduct your marks. Please remember that. And I know many of you commented that आपके स्कूल में आपके टीचर्स ने कहा है कि use difficult words, but please, I'm telling it in my experience as a teacher myself, as well as what my teachers have taught me. I'm telling you that. So this will be completely my POV of whatever I'm saying. Number 2 would be English paper 2, which is English literature. Literature में, drama में, what I think is important is the scene where Antony gives a long speech about Julius Caesar who has just died. Then the scene where they are fighting, like Brutus and Antony's, they are fighting. Brutus killing himself, Cassius killing himself. These scenes are very important. Read them thoroughly. Also try to remember कि कौन सा scene कहाँ पर हुआ है, because the first question, many of times they ask you questions like where does this scene take place. So please remember and please read the stories, poems and drama regularly, thoroughly, ताकि आपको line के जो in between lines है वो सब भी याद हो जाए. Read the meanings that are provided in the book, like on the right hand side corner जो provide रहता है. Read them very carefully because वहाँ से भी questions आता है. Like they can give you a word and they can simply ask you what is the meaning of this. So please read that. And if you have a workbook में सारे questions solve करो. उसके पीछे बहुत सारे sample papers भी है. Solve these sample papers. Frank sample papers solve करो. जो solve sample papers है वही तुम फिर से solve करो and check the answers. Answer तो दिए हुए हैं. Read them and read your answers. छोटे छोटे answers लिखो. Try to use the words which are in the story and in the drama also. Try to incorporate these words because similar words रहेंगे तो teacher will think that you know stuff. Then what my teacher she taught me was, if you have time in the end, take a black pen, underline the answers. For example, where does this scene take place? It takes place in a street of Rome. A street of Rome, underline that. These things will help your examiner जो check करेगी आपकी copy. They don't have time तो वो just answer देखकर आपको tick mark मारकर छोड़ देगी. So these are very important things that you should keep in mind while solving your English literature and English language paper. I hope you guys like this video. I made it completely short and informative so that आपके time waste ना हो. So without wasting your time, go grab your books, start reading. Bye.